What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. This is one of the first ones we're doing, the Pixel 10 Pro XL. So I've got mine in the Moonstone colorway. Looks fantastic, and you know what, it feels nice to be back on a Pixel. I have been enjoying the Fold 7 recently, but it is nice to be back on a Google phone, and this will be my Android phone of choice now over the next few weeks, and then we'll see where we go from there. Got plenty of cases and other stuff coming up with the Pixel, so stay tuned. However, this one right here is the first case we're going for, and it's from MagBak, and it is the Elite case. As you can see, it's going to come with a screen protector inside this nice MagBak box. So you go ahead and you take off the top piece like so, and then you're left with the box, and you just prise it open from the top, and then you've got your screen protector on this side, and there is your case. So if we take that out, then you've got some accessories, swap colours, more to come on that in a little while, the finger loop and other stuff like that, the pinky rest. So yeah, there's a lot going on in there. You get some accessories for your screen protector, and of course that metal strip if you don't have any metal anywhere and you want to mount it somewhere. So like you can watch content on, like say if you want to stick it to a wall, you can mount this and mount the case. However, we won't be going into that today. Let's get rid of that. This right here is some accent colours that you can get for the Pixel. So as you can see, you can take out the camera ring, the finger loop, the edges on this side. It's for grip. You're going to be able to take that out, the pinky rest on the bottom, and these come in different assortment of colours. I'm going to show these off in a YouTube short, so if you want to see that, get ready for that, get subscribed now. But you can get different colours and you can change up the accent. I like this with just the black going on. I think it's a little bit more clean, a little bit more stealth. I do like to add a splash of colour every now and again, and we'll see how it goes when we do the YouTube short, so stay tuned. But you get that finger loop there, same as always with the Elite case. Pops out nice and easy, and then just pops back in. You get your kickstand, so you can mount it up and watch some content. As I say, all these comes out nice and easy. Patented technology, magbak.com/patents. MagBak Elite case in the middle in the microfiber lining. Nice buttons on the side. Nothing on this side, and you cut out on your top, cut out on the bottom. There we go. So if we bring in our scale, let's give it a turn on, and let's see what it's coming and let's see what it's weighing in at. Weighs in at 54 grams. If we throw in the Pixel, like so, goes on nice and easy. Just throw it on now. We are looking at 286 grams. Too bad, really, in the grand scheme of things. It isn't too bad. As you can see, nice camera guard right there. So it's going to keep that camera nice and protected. It's raised up above, so you can go ahead and place the camera down and not have to worry. I haven't got a screen protector on this yet, but as you can see, the lip runs all the way around the edge and across the top and the bottom of the phone right there. So you're going to be able to go ahead and place it face down if you want to, and not have to worry about it touching them cameras. So nice screen protection on this case, nice grip on the sides with them raised edges, and of course you can swap out for different colours. Let's check the buttons. Nice and clicky, and that's just what we like from MagBak cases. Nice clicky buttons. On the bottom you got your cutouts for your mic and your speaker. You got little lanyard loops in each corner, and on the top, cut out for your mic. Looks good, feels good. As I say, you got that finger loop right there. Basically place your finger through, so you can hold your phone this way, and you know, if you're scrolling or watching some content, or you know, browsing TikTok, then you just put your finger through, or reading a book maybe as well. Maybe you do that with your phone, and you can just put that on, and then you got these strips either side. So what you can do is you can mount them to a metal surface. So as well as having MagSafe, you can mount these to a metal surface. It's like say you've got a toolbox or a metal shelving unit, mount it up, and you're watching content or you're listening to music and you want to just get out your pocket, you can just slap it on and not have to worry. if we bring in a MagSafe battery pack and we slap it on like so, so it just sits on there, and shake test, that ain't coming off. That is on there really well. I mean, MagBak magnets are unbelievable. There's also, if we bring in this is my Nomad base stand, and it's super heavy. So if we click it onto this, just took it out my hand, it's now charging, and yeah, not a single issue at all. Not even any slight issue, which is just fantastic. It's just what you want from your case, and of course with the Pixel now having that new like Qi 2 technology, it's perfect anyway. But the MagBak case just makes it that one step better. Then of course if you want to watch content and you don't want to slap it to a metal surface, put the kickstand down, place it down, and you can watch your content. So really a nice feature, nice touch from MagBak. This is a one-stop case, literally does it all. Everything you want, this case does it. So I mean, why wouldn't you go for this one to protect your Pixel and do everything that you want to do with your phone? I think this is probably one of the best cases for the Pixel series right now. So this is the Elite case from MagBak. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. This is the one you're going to see coming up in a lot of videos in the next couple of days, as this will be on the phone. I'm going to rock this, we're going to see how it holds up, fingerprints, all the usual stuff, and then obviously there'll be a short on how we change the colours and get some accent colours going on there to see whether it makes a bit of a difference to this all black case, which I do actually prefer. We'll change the colours and see how we go from there. Huge thank you to MagBak for sending this out for me to show you guys. I really appreciate it. If you want to know more and you want to see any other cases MagBak do, there'll be a link down below. It'll be my discount link, my affiliate link. It won't cost you guys any extra, and there will be a bit of a kickback to the channel, but it is a discounted link, so you'll get a bit of discount on there too. So make sure you go down and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and let me know what cases you want to see for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and I will try and make it happen hopefully before we come into iPhone season, because that is just around the corner. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.